Nope, earlier one was looking good. Okay, let's just increase the size. We'll command G using, then we have grouped them, right? We'll move it over here and we'll increase the size. Okay, not this much, but yeah. And now let's just move this image to the bottom of our stuff, right? So that this branding is not hurt, right? Okay, looks cool, looks good. Now here we have our solution. C T command V. Let's just log this one as well. Command 2. Okay, command V. Array. We'll change this to white. Let's just delete all of this stuff. I mean, like, too much of problem, man. Too much of confusion. Okay. Okay. The height and all this, we need to set all this stuff. Where is the line height? This is the line height. Nope. Let's just do it using our alt key only. So first thing is okay. Let me just do an option and we'll reduce the size of this. Okay. So first thing first, we have done this one. Now let me just hold the shift key and I'm not able to even see the stuff. It's barely visible. Okay, it would be now. Okay, so where people go wrong is, so these are all in the points. These are all the pointers, thinking that they need a major market to make a lot of money and entering in a competitive market with no USP, right? And then the second one is trying to copy everyone else, and then third one is not knowing their target customer. So we'll do something like this itself. So let's just give it a numbering. Let's just give it like first. Okay, let's just change the stuff to like this. I'm not able to move it. Okay. Okay, so first is they think that they need a major market to make a lot of money and enter a competitive market with no unique selling point, right? Then the second thing is this, trying to copy everyone else, and then the third thing is this. Okay, just increase the size. And let me just increase the size and then we'll give it a thing like this. Enter a competitive market with a unique selling point, right? Okay, looks good. Let's increase the size. Trying to, it actually doesn't look good now. So let's just change the size of our lines. Competitive market with no unique selling proposition. Okay, trying to copy everyone else, which doesn't make sense. Let's just move it like this, not knowing their target customer. Okay, doesn't look good, and even we can't okay, so one thing is that we are not following the typography rules, which not the typography rules but the technical copywriting rules. So what our rules say is that these things should be aligned properly first thing, then, which we have done right now. So our now this complete thing aligns properly, selling proposition. Okay, first thing first. Now the problem is that these lines are actually too long. So let me just, if we increase one line, okay, if we increase one line to make a lot of money. Okay, so let's just let me just do one hack over here. We'll increase one line and then we'll see if our thing is getting a little weird. And one thing is we need to also give these things a little bit of color coding, right? So we'll do that in a second. No unique selling proposition, USP. Nope, still not looks good, still doesn't look good, looks a little pretty bad, right? I think the problem is with this thing as well. So let's just move this a little bit side, right? We'll lock this one now. Trying to thinking that they need a major market, so we'll give this thing, or let's just do one thing. Let's keep the color of this one grayish, this one, right? And now over here let's just competitor market, enter a competitor market. We'll make this one black, oh, not black, complete white. Okay, with no unique selling proposition. This also, just make this one also complete white. Copy and target customer. These are the keywords, right? So even if someone is reading this complete text, then he or she gets direct sees this complete thing directly, right? Let me just do one thing now. Now it would be more visible. Okay, copy target customer. Looks good, right? Okay, now the final one. So over here what we need to do is we just need to have a bell icon first thing, or rather than bell icon, let's just have notification. Okay, so turn on notifications. We'll put it over here, then save for later. We'll have a bookmark for this one. Notification. Let's just open flat icons for this. Flat icons actually good because it's they are highly customizable, and you can easily customize everything over there, right? So let me just open flat icon. Okay. Notification. And we'll choose which would look a little, which will look a little good over the canvas, right? So okay, we don't have any option to change the color? We do have, no? That's a little weird. I think with flat icons there is an option to change the color. With Iconify we do get. I don't remember that, but with Iconify we do get. Iconify doesn't have any website. It's actually a plugin in Figma. Iconify. Let's see. Okay, we have uh, browse icons. See materials and nope. Notification. Okay, notification bell, and this one. Okay, let's just convert it to white. SVG React CSS. Do we have any option to download this? Okay, it's actually the background they're talking about. Okay, yeah, I want this one, but how can I download this? How to add this to website? CSS SVG. Click this link to download SVG. How to icon fan CSS? Web pages. Let's see if we can download our SVG file, and then we can put it in the Illustrator. Uh, does SVG works with Illustrator? I highly doubt this. Yeah, they're not compatible. Actually, the .ai files or .esp files, these all vector files, are compatible with Illustrator, but not this. And the SVG we use when we want to use it in Figma. So vector files in Figma are imported using SVGs. Notification bell, right? One thing is that when we need notification bell icon, but give it to me in white color, man. Just like this, but in white. Okay, we do have an option to edit. Login. Okay, let's just login. Google. I have a lot of lots of accounts on Gmail. ठीक है, चलो आगे. Okay, so now I think I'll get an option to edit. Okay, palette. So it shows me the palette. Select color. Okay, if we want to do it white. Cool. This is what I want. Download the PNG file. Yeah. Cool. Okay. And let me just save it to my hard disk. In the, not this one, but logo icons. So notifications, keep both. Okay, looks cool. And we have it over here. The size is a little large. I think over there I had the size as 36 cross 36 pixels. Somewhat like this. That would look cool. That would look cool. And let's just have the bookmark icon. Let's just have the bookmark icon. Bookmark. Okay, this is the one in white color. And this in white color. Let me just download it in PNG. Flat icons, yeah, I'm in love with flat icons. These are very, man, these are super dope. Bookmark.png, yeah. Okay, okay. Sorry. Okay. One thing is that the color of these things, they are not looking good, na? They're not looking good. What's the font? It's Poppins. It's Ridley Grotesque. Okay. So as I told you guys that I was used to use these Ridley Grotesque. Let's just convert it to Vegas Nebula. Yeah, this looks a little. This looks much cleaner, right? I can increase the font size as well. Yep, looks very clean. Okay. Let's just, we'll move everything once we are done. Let's change the size of this. Let's copy it over. Okay, not this. Let's give it a 36. Okay. Let's increase. Let's just change the position. Put it over here. And even we can increase the size of this complete thing, right? Okay. Change the size of this. More here. As is, yeah, it aligns this. It aligns with this. Now we want an arrow sign, right? Upward arrow actually. So let me just do up arrow, right? Not this. Up. Do we get an arrow sign? Okay, this one. I think it was a little bit thinner than this. This will look good. This will look good. This will look good. Let's just change the color to white. Download PNG file. Okay. Let me save it. And we'll put it over here. Okay. Over here, right? The size is 36 cross 36, right? Oh no, it's not. But it's okay. That's fine, no? Looks fine. Looks cool. Let's just, okay. This is a line. This is completely aligned, right? Nope. We need to increase the size. The bottom of this should touch. No. Okay. This is the perfect sign. Perfect. Not sign. What do we call it? Perfect position, right? Okay. Let me just change the font. And of this as well. Okay, no, not over there. Let's keep it like this. And why is this thing, let's just comment this down. Let's just make it one text file only, and we'll increase the size. Okay, just this thing, move a little bit like this. Okay, let's put a text as what is your niche, right? And let's just change the color as white. What is your niche? Comment below. Comment below. Okay, let's just move it over here. So niche, comment below. And now the thing is that over here we'll import the signs, right? So let's just first have the sign of Instagram. This is the one. Let's just get it in PNG. Not this one, I think this was the one. So edit it, just edit it in white color, download PNG file. Okay, this is what we actually need. Okay, yeah, let's just keep it over here. Okay, line good. Follow innovative coder on this. Then where are we on? We are on Facebook as well, right? So let's just have Facebook. Just have Facebook. Facebook has this one. So nope. Let's do one thing. This is the one now. So left. Just change the color to white. Download PNG. This will look good. Yeah, not over here. Where is our Facebook? Okay, let's put over there. Both. Okay. So what have we kept the size of this one? It's actually 39 cross 39, right? Or I think it's, what is the size? 42 cross 42, right? So let's just give this as well. This is a size 42 cross 42. Okay. And a little bit of spacing. Now LinkedIn. Let's have LinkedIn logo. This looks good. Let's change the color to white, download it in PNG format. Good. Let's just move it in PNG format over here. Keep both. Yeah. Okay. 42 cross 42. Yep, this one. What is actually the spacing between I think it's not, yeah, this is the correct spacing, right? Let's just have the GitHub icon. This is the icon of GitHub. Let's just change it to white, download PNG. Okay, done. Now it's downloaded. Okay, so we already had actually this logo. Not an issue, not an issue. Let's have it 42 cross 42. Okay, looks good. Twitter now. Okay, sorry, YouTube is also there. YouTube, right? YouTube, this one looks good. This PNG, download, and over here in downloads. Let's just put it over here. Both YouTube. Yep, this is the one. 42. We can actually import it in 42 cross 42, but the problem over here is that let's just keep it in Hypixel, so that even if we need this logo anywhere else in future, so we can use these logos in future as well, right? So that's why I'm keeping it like them, like in Hypixel. Then we have Twitter, right? This would be our last one. Then we'll just export all of these things and we'll schedule our posts, right? Okay, done. Download PNG. Okay, this is the image. 42 cross 42, right? And over here. Okay, okay, okay. Looks awesome. What is your niche? And then just let's have something of the sort. What, let's spacing of this. What is your niche? Comment below. Okay, looks good. Now this is how our carousel actually looks. What we'll do would be we'll just export this, right? This is how actually our artboard looks. So just cancel it and go over here, file, and then export for screens. All our screens are selected, range 1 to 10, right? We'll select our location. So first let me just make a new folder. So the thing is that I have a folder named Instagram, and over Instagram I have this innovative coder. Okay, let me just show you innovative coder, and then over here I have these all these posts. So I have all my posts saved, and let's schedule it for tomorrow. So tomorrow or today it's 27th March, right? 27th March. We'll just save the image over here. Okay, let me just go over to 20 hard disk. No, not in hard disk, it's on desktop. Innovative coder, Instagram, innovative coder, innovative Instagram posts, 27 March, right? Choose. So we are in the folders, and then see, one thing is my settings are by default for JPG and JPG 100. You get a lot of categories, but select the finest one, which is JPG 100, and select this PDF option as well. But the thing over here is that we'll also gonna post this same content over to LinkedIn as well in a PDF format, right? So just have this thing in your mind that you must select this PDF option as well. Exporting, voila, all are 20 upvotes because 10 are JPG and 10 are PDFs, right? This is the stuff. Okay, and here we have all our high quality images. Awesome, looks legit. If you're on my Instagram, then you must see these images, then you must see this post, right? And then do give a like as well, right? Okay, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. Pretty high quality. Okay, cool. Now what I would do would be I'll go to, okay, so let me just close everything. Let me just close this. Let me just close this pocket. Okay, illustrator, and then we'll look at, it's not Canva, yaar, it's actually Figma. I have actually confused myself in between Canva and Figma. In the first video itself, I was always saying this Canva thing, but it's not Canva, it's Figma, right? Creator Studio. You just need to go into Creator Studio. This is the Facebook Creator Studio, right? And get started. Okay, this is not my account actually. This is a different account. Log out. Let me just open my account, right? Okay. This is the wrong password. Okay, I think this one. Nope. Oh, I changed this password 2 years ago. I don't even remember what my password is. Okay, cool. Now we'll go into our Creator Studio. Okay, and then you need to select this Instagram option. So make sure that your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook account. If it is not, then this complete portal won't be visible to you guys. Create post, Instagram feed, and we'll do one thing, add content from file upload, and we'll locate our content. Was desktop coder, then it was Instagram, node of coder, Instagram post, it was 27 March, 1x, and we'll load all of these images. But there is a catch. We need to resize this stuff, so we need to do it vertical. Okay, for all the images you need to make this vertical. You don't forget that. First, second. Okay, so for this one we have done it vertical, right? Okay, for third, vertical, save. Fourth one, vertical, save. Fifth, vertical, save, 6th, vertical, save, 7th, vertical, save, 8th, make it vertical, save, 9th, vertical, save, 10th. Was this saved? Yeah, this one was saved. 10th, vertical, save. Okay. Now select this, so it will simultaneously post on this page, and then it will just post on Instagram as well as on Facebook. So now one thing you can do is you can schedule your post. So I'll schedule it for 27th March, and I'll do it 10 a.m. 10 a.m. exact 10 a.m. It will post my image, post my carousel. Or you can, if you want it to publish right now, you can just click on the publish option, but I'm scheduling it for tomorrow morning. Okay, so caption. Okay, have you decided, okay, spelling, decided your niche? I actually don't write very small captions, but for this video, for the sake of this video, I'll write a pretty small one. Have you decided your niche? If not, then do give this piece of content a read, and do tell your opinion in the comment section. Okay, and I do have a set of hashtags, but let's just for this carousel, let's just give some random hashtags. So I do have my hashtags, so first I'll mention them. Coder hashtag, then carousel, and then I don't know, this BHFYP is a hashtag which is very popular and it attracts a lot of people, so I'll just put this one. Then the languages which are in trend: Python, UI design, UX design. Then there is a community out there known as build up devs, so I'll use that hashtag, build up dev. Then some general hashtags like coding. Then there is programmer, programming. Then there is programmer. There is one is programmer humor. It also works very fine. Then there is coding, decoding, which works fine. Then there is Python programming, Python Python of Instagram. Then what do we have? Instagram. Then we have like for like. Actually, I don't use these likes for likes and likes for follow, but I'm doing it for this one. Let's give it a try. Follow for follow back. Okay, and okay, these many are okay. These many are fine. So let's just schedule them. Done. We are done. Your post is being scheduled, and once it is scheduled, it will give me a notification. Okay, your post has been scheduled, right? So this is over here today, 10 a.m. Okay, so keep an eye on this one. We'll now discuss about the next post, which we want to build in Figma. So let me just close this. We'll save this one. Okay, just close and save. And then I'll open my Figma. Just save this. Well, there was no need to save this one, but let's do this for safe side. Okay, no, we don't want that. We don't want to save it. Cancel. Okay, just close this. Let's close it over here as well. Keep data. but I can rather do clear artboard. That would also be okay. Okay, now let's just open our uh, let's just open our Figma.